Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Nick Memes here, a Solana meme coin trader, and today we're back on Pump.fun. It's day 4 of our series, but today's strategy is going to be completely new. I will show you what happens when coins go to Radium and how you can trade them. I actually just got out of my second trade. I was trading one coin twice. I will analyze the charts, the thought process, and the coin, and why you should trade coins to Radium. Why not on Pump.fun? So this is a different strategy about Pump.fun coins. So as you can see today, the coins are still being launched on Pump.fun literally every single second, but the market is dry. Like throughout the entire day, I saw no new trends. There are still cats. Of course, cats are always trending. War, but it's kind of fading away. The trend is fading away, and I saw no new trends. Market is kind of dry because BTC dropped. Solana dropped. Actually, it's going back up now, but at its lowest, it was at 120. And when people cash out of Solana, they switch back to like USDT, BUSD, or whatever stablecoin. And what happens is less people trade those meme coins. And plus, it's Sunday today. Actually, as I'm recording, it's 1:30 a.m. It's Monday technically, but it was Sunday today, and Sunday is usually really dry. People like to take their days off. Market is usually slower, so that's why you can trade coins on Radium then after they have the pump and Pump.fun. So let me show you what coin I traded. Let me show you the thought process and really everything. So the coin was CTO. As you can see here, Pump.fun chart, I did not get into the coin on Pump.fun. I got into the coin when it went to Radium. So the benefit of that is there is already a community formed on this coin. Now, these coins, when they go to Radium, 95% of them will go down. 95% of them. So be aware of that. The coin must be in the trend. And as we can see here, Solana CTO, with the Solana developer rugging us, it's time to take over this, whatever. Basically, Solana is really down. It's really dumping. And the coin is about that trend. At least I think so. And the coin had nice volume. It had the community. As you can see from the threads, people are really bullish on this coin. And if you have watched my previous videos, it's a really good sign. So this coin had great community. You can see how many messages this coin had and still has. People are still messaging into this chat. And let's go back now. You can also see there is a Telegram, but there is no website, no X. However, this coin went to Radium once it hit $70K in market cap. And what happened is it had a really nice pump. So now let's analyze the chart. Let me show you when I exited. When I entered the coin, when I exited the coin. So you can see everything, the thought process. What we're gonna do here is go full screen. The coin currently is sitting at $100K in market cap. At its peak, it was at 180, and they are launching at 80K, as you know. Let's actually recheck. 56K actually, 56K market cap. And those coins, what happens usually is they just go up, they go down, 95% of them. This particular one went up, and you should always wait for the dip. Never buy on the way up. You can buy the first wave, but you should do it with new pairs on Dex Screener or Photon, which launch at usually like 10K, 5K market cap, whatever. Not Pump.fun coins. In those coins, you can try the first wave. Pump.fun coins, don't try this wave right here. Why? Because 95% of them will go up first and then go down and stay dead, forever. So this is very risky. Pump.fun coins always wait for the dip on Radium. Always wait for the dip. The dip was here. It went first to 140K level. The first dip was here at 80K. Now, do you buy here? You're catching the falling knife. Think about this. Can you tell that it will stop here? It can go down. It can die right here. You don't know that it will go up from here. Like you don't. You really don't. So this is the first dip. It went back up. Good. You're a spectator right now. You spectate this coin. What it's gonna do next. You also want to look at the volume. The volume has stayed great throughout this entire first wave. So we can call this first wave. Now it's down. Now it's the second wave. I guess we can still call this entire wave the first wave as well. But anyway, this was the first dip. First opportunity to get in, but very, very risky. Don't do that. Now the coin went up to 200k market cap. As you can see, those coins like to move in psychological levels. They like to hit 50k, 100k, 200k, and people buy and sell at those levels. Always, it's psychological. The market, the coins are psychological. For example, people who bought this dip, who are risky bastards who got lucky, since it's risky, they want to take profits, and they got to do it. And people take profits at like 2, 3x, some moonrise coins to 10x, but people got to take profits always. So dips are a matter of time, usually. And here people decided to take profits. And as you can see, it went from 200k round numbers, people started selling. Now the coin went back down to the support level. How can we see that how can we see the support? The previous dip was at this level, 80k, and it came back to 80k. All right. So this is now a safer opportunity for you to get into this token, because there is a support level and it usually bounces back. That's just how it works. You can see here, it went back. I didn't get in here, I got in here. This is another opportunity for you to buy. If you sleep on this, because whales are buying at this level, right? Whales are sniping those tokens, looking at the support levels, psychological levels, doing their fancy TA, which you don't really need. I bought here. I usually like to take 2 to 3x profits. You then sell here. I sold it about this level, about the all-time high. It happened to be all-time high. I didn't know it's gonna stop here. I usually take profits at 2x. Always take your initials out and take your entire position out if you wish to. That's going to be up to you. You can also ride it to 10x, but the likelihood of it going to 10x, really unlikely, and that's really risky. Always protect your initial starting capital and take at least 50% out and ride the rest, or take out your entire position, right? So let's keep looking. Let's keep looking here. You can see the coin started downtrending. This was the all-time high. Now it came back to support level, pretty much just straight down. And this coin from here, it's dead. We can still see the coin is dead. You want to trade on the first side of the chart, on this side of the chart, the first half, and not on the second half. The second half has died out. There is no coin. I mean, the coin is there. You can still do something here, but you don't want to be trading those lows. And this coin just downtrended down, but it came back to this level. What is this? Support level. 80k support level, hitting it for the third time, relatively safe entry. And I mean, I don't want to say safe since these meme coins are really, really volatile. They are not safe. However, this is as safe as it can get. This is the support level. And as you can see here, double bottom, and it's at the support level, and there is volume starting to come in. As you can see here, at here, where it dropped down below, the volume started decreasing. We can see the volume here is at its lowest, and that's really a bearish sign. But double bottom, first dip, second dip, you get in here and you sell for 2x here. Why you buy here? It's double bottom. It's a trend reversal. It has been at the and it's at the support level, as you can see. One bullish move is the double top. The two mountains. The classic one. What this means? It's not bullish move. It's bearish move. Excuse me. The coins downtrend from the top, from the two mountains, from the double top, and this is double bottom, as you can see here, and that's freaking darn good. You want to enter this coin at this level right here. You sell at the 2x level right there. Amazing, right? By the way, we don't need this Fibonacci. You can use, you can trade those tokens without any, fancy TA. Even I'm not good at TA. None of that. You can just look at psychological levels at the support, bottoms, and everything. Let me delete the drawings. So you can see here that volume also plays a really large role. And the coin was really low here, right? Double bottom, and the volume started picking up a little bit. You can see little bit, and it started going up. There is no volume. Started going up. There is some volume. Then you sold here. Now the coin is dead now. Yes, it hits the support again, it's gonna come back, but the coin will break through down below and nuke to oblivion. It's gonna come out of the cliff and really die here. Now, I also want to emphasize that the coin can break down from the support actually anytime. Anytime the coin can go back from where it started to the death. It can die out, quite literally. So you also want to be careful in terms of these coins just really dying out, since if it goes below the 80k support level right here, what happens is it's completely dead. I mean, there is no longer any livelihood for this. There is no hope for it to come back. If it breaks down from 80k support level, it's gonna die completely and forever. I think so. And it's gonna be so, you know. So here, what we're gonna see soon is gonna break down. Sometime it can consolidate here. Of course, it's gonna break down from 80k to nothing. And it could have done the same here. It could have done the same here, actually. You know, it could have just gone back down right here, just gone back down and just have died. So this one, it's a support level buy, relatively safe. But this one is where you want to enter. You enter here, you sell for 2x here. And now, again, it happened to be that 2x was at this level, and it just came back down. I mean, it could have done more, it could have done less, but usually just take 2x. Here, even take 50x, honestly. But there is no longer a trading opportunity. There was 2, and you want to trade on the first side. Maybe if you're lucky, you can trade on the second side, but this is more... you don't want to be doing that. You want to catch the first side of the chart. Now, there was another coin that I want to share, which was Spectating on Pump.fun, and I was looking at Tradium when it launched, but I did not get into that coin. Let me show you why. As I told you before, what happens to these coins from Pump chart as you go to Radium. Now on Radium, switch it to market cap. You can see here it just dipped right away. It had a pump, and this is the pump actually, the first candle. It went from 50k to 110k. So you're in spectator mode. You're doing nothing. You're not buying it right now. Don't do it. Let me actually pull out 1 minute candles so we can have a better view. Launched at 50k, 110k, went back down. Couldn't go back up. The volume has, as you can see here, has gone really shallow. The volume has really gone down. Downtrending volume, downtrending chart. The volume is a really good indicator. It's actually #1 indicator, really. You don't even need that much TA here. You don't really need it. You just need the volume. Look at the volume and psychological levels. Here, volume really shallow. The coin has been downtrending to 20k, psychological level, little bit, it went back a little bit, 80% to 35k. Now, you don't want to buy here. I mean, the coin is dying. Just don't buy it here, right? So I was spectating this coin. Why would you get into this? You don't need to get into this. It's a dead coin. And that's what happens to most of these coins. That's why you need to spectate before you get in. And you want to catch this dip. If from here it has volume on the chart, you can get into this coin. If it has great volume, if it shows signs of going back up, you know. But this coin, as far as I can see, there is no signs. It just died out. Really risky. I want to tell you, 95% of them will die, just like this one. So our prosperous coin CTO was really an exception. But you want to find those exceptions, right, and trade them. And you can find plenty if you see the narrative, if you see the community already built on Pump.fun, that can be powerful, that can be a massive advantage for those coins to pump on Radium if they have a community pumping, being bullish on this coin. That's amazing, really amazing. So really be careful when trading those coins. And that's gonna be it for this video. It's a different strategy. I hope you learned quite a bit from this video. I also have a Pump.fun bot which I use. So you can use the link in the description or the comment section if you want to get yourself this bot, since you can just type those transactions literally within a second, and it will be faster than those right here if you're trading on Pump.fun. So on Radium, you have to use BunkBot, Trojan, or Photon. So if you don't have any of those, I'll also have links for you in the description. That's gonna be it for this video. Like and subscribe and come back for more.